Good morning, Standard 4. Today is Wednesday, the 21st of October, 2020. The quote of today is, "Every day may not be good, but there is good in every day." Our subject today is mathematics. In today's mathematics class, we are going to do the topic rounding decimals. Before we do so, let's review. What is a decimal? A decimal is a special way to represent a number that is less than 1. Do you know any other ways to represent a number that is less than 1? Yes, a fraction. But today we are only going to look at decimals. As you can see, this number on the screen is a decimal. You can recognize a decimal by identifying the whole number, the decimal point, and the decimal place. Let's label the different place values in this decimal. Let's look at the numbers before the decimal points first. This is place value 1. This is place value 10. This is place value 100. This is place value 1000. Now, let's look at numbers after the decimal point. This is place value 10th. This is place value 100th. And last, this is place value 1000th. Now that we've reviewed the different parts of the place value positions, let's learn what it means to round a number off. Now, rounding off a number is making it less accurate, a little off from its true or its original value. It can be said that when we round a number off, we are giving a rough estimate of the true or original value of the number. For example, imagine you're a news reporter covering a concert for your favorite singer. Exactly 296,734 persons came to the concert. Wow, that's a lot of people. However, a news reporter saying 296,734 people is a mouthful. It would be much easier to give a rough estimate or round off the amount of people who attended the concert to approximately 300,000. Now, 300,000 is not the accurate amount of people who attended the concert, but it is a rough estimate of how many persons were there. When we are rounding off decimals, we can round them to the nearest or the closest number or the number before the decimal point, which is the whole number. We can do it to the nearest or the closest tenth, or the number in the 10th position, or even to the nearest or the closest 100th. Here are a few steps you have to take to round a number off. Let's try rounding off this number to the nearest 100th. Identify the place value the question is asking you to round off to. For example, this question is asking you to round this number to the nearest hundredth. So we are going to identify the hundredth position here, highlighted in brown. Step 2. Next, we are going to look on the right side of the number you identified before. So we identified 7 in the hundredth place value position, highlighted in brown. And my eyes, as you can see, is looking at the right side of number 7. It is looking at number 3, which is in the 1000th position. Step 3. Now we are going to ask ourselves a very important question. Is this number more than 5 or less than 5? If the number we are looking at in this case is number 3 is more than 5, we will increase the number in the identified place value